curved blade, not like a clovis blade, it was curved sideways. And the guy called it a paleo knife, and there was a little argument about that. And it was a black, a dark brown flint. And Curtis Smith said he didn't know what it was. I didn't recognize it. But when I first saw this piece, and the light was different earlier somehow, and it sort of reminded me of that, but I don't. It's not the same. But who with access to flint here in Central Texas is going to save this? I mean.
Yeah, it almost looks like it's heading out.
I mean, you could trim it.
Heading out east or
just
something.
a little bit of trimming, and it would be a good scraping to true. And so maybe that's what is going on. But it's just, you just don't see the tools coming out of those early contexts that look